Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to update the ship name under the shipment in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the customer service module. Here, we have to select the all shipments menu under the customer service module. On this page, we have to select the date range and also we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click the submit button. Now, all the shipment details will be displayed on the screen. Here, we have to click the edit button on the required shipment. After clicking that, the shipment details page will be displayed on the screen. Now, we have to click on the edit button under the info tab. On this edit shipment info page, we have to enter the ship name. Then we have to click the Save Changes button. Now the ship name has been updated in that shipment. This is how to update the ship name under the shipment in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.